Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about 20 common daily life idioms and phrases that you must know. So why do we need to learn idioms and phrases? Because they make our conversations more interesting, colorful, and they help us express ourselves easily and naturally. And this video is focused on US everyday English. So if you want to sound natural when speaking English, especially in your daily life, then keep watching. Let's get started. Number 1, break the ice. The first time you meet someone, how do you start talking to them? Well, you can break the ice. To break the ice means to start a conversation, usually by saying something that is intended to make people laugh. He told a joke to break the ice at the meeting. Number 2, piece of cake. When something is very easy to do, you can say it's a piece of cake. This math problem is a piece of cake. Number 3, hit the sack. If you hit the sack, you go to bed or you go to sleep. He hit the sack early last night. I'm so tired. I think I'll hit the sack early tonight. Number 4, under the weather. If you don't feel well, you can say you're under the weather. She went home because she felt under the weather. We're having a really nice day today, but my mom is under the weather. That's why we didn't go out. No. 5, once in a blue moon. If something happens once in a blue moon, it means it happens rarely. We go out to eat once in a blue moon. I see my aunt once in a blue moon. I haven't seen her since Christmas. Number 6, spill the beans. Do you know a secret? If someone spills the beans, they reveal a secret. She spilled the beans about the surprise party. Don't tell anyone about the party. I don't want to spill the beans. Number 7, burn the midnight oil. People often study or work late into the night. If you do that, you can say you're burning the midnight oil. He burned the midnight oil to finish his project. We have an important presentation tomorrow, so I'm burning the midnight oil. Number 8, hit the books. When it's time to start studying, you can say it's time to hit the books. Exams are near, time to hit the books. I need to hit the books if I want to pass this test. Number 9, cut to the chase. If you want someone to get to the point, you can tell them to cut to the chase. Let's cut to the chase and discuss the main issue. Could you please cut to the chase? I don't have time for small talk. Number 10, call it a day. When you finish working, you can say it's time to call it a day. It's late and I'm tired. I think it's time to call it a day. We finished the report, let's call it a day. Now let's talk about 10 more common idioms and phrases that you must know. Number 11, at the drop of a hat. If you can do something at the drop of a hat, it means you can do it immediately. For example, she can fix the computer at the drop of a hat. That is, she can fix it right away. Or I would go to Alaska at the drop of a hat. That is, I would go there immediately. Number 12, bite the bullet. What do you do when you have to do something difficult? You bite the bullet. That is, you just do it. You bite the bullet and do it. Number 13, cost an arm and a leg. When something costs a lot of money, you can say it cost an arm and a leg. This new phone is really expensive. It cost an arm and a leg. The surgery cost him an arm and a leg. That is, it was very expensive. Number 14, every other day. If something happens every other day, it means it happens every day, but not today. For example, I see my friend every other day. I see him today, but I won't see him tomorrow. Number 15, get along with. How do you feel about your relationship with your brother? Do you get along with him? Get along with means to have a friendly relationship with someone. For example, my sister and I get along with each other. We are best friends. Or do you get along with your boss? That is, do you have a good relationship with your boss? Number 16, get back at. When you want to do something to someone who did something bad to you, you can say you want to get back at him. For example, I want to get back at him because he teased me in front of my friends. But remember, getting back at someone should be done in a friendly way. Number 17, get even. To get even is similar to get back at. When you get even with someone, you do something to that person as he or she did to you. For example, I got even with him by telling a secret to his friends. Number 18, get over. People sometimes have a hard time forgetting about something bad that happened to them in the past. If you have a hard time forgetting about it, you can say you can't get over it. I can't get over losing my passport. Or, I still can't get over the death of my dog. Number 19, on the other hand. On the other hand means however, or on the contrary. For example, I like pizza. On the other hand, I don't like spaghetti. That is, although I like pizza, I don't like spaghetti. Or, on the other hand, although he works a lot, he is happy. Number 20, on the same page. If you and someone else have the same opinions, ideas, or understanding, you are on the same page. We are on the same page when it comes to raising kids. That is, you and another person have the same ideas about raising children. Or I think we're on the same page about how to fix this chair. That is, you and another person have the same ideas about how to repair the chair. Okay, now let's do a quick wrap-up of everything we've learned. We talked about 20 common daily life idioms and phrases that you must know. Let's repeat them one more time. Break the ice, piece of cake, hit the sack, under the weather, once in a blue moon, spill the beans, burn the midnight oil, hit the books, cut to the chase, call it a day, at the drop of a hat, bite the bullet, cost an arm and a leg, every other day, get along with, get back at, get even, get over. On the other hand, and on the same page. Well, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time.